Here we go. There are bicyclists ahead of us, and we will be taking our first right. It does like to right in the center sometimes, doesn't it?
Yeah, he's right. Joe Tagmeyer.
Good wide turn around those parked cars. We'll be taking a slight right. And then another right.
Yeah, this is way easier for me to build out that map.
Okay, it's kind of a blind turn for me. And there's a car coming, but the car is turning, so we should be able to go.
You'll probably wait for that?
I give it a left tap.
Okay.
Whee! Okay, I'm taking a left.
That sounds like a song I used on an earlier video.
It is. So we're gonna go straight for a while. Oh, I think I paused it, sorry.
Oh, you're okay. You're discovering what I honestly think I might need to take this car in for, or might need to take my steering wheel in for service, which is that the pause and the next track are pretty sensitive.
Yeah.
You noticed that, didn't you?
I did. I was like, wait. I was like, why is it not playing it?
Sometimes what happens is that it pauses instead of skips. But it's kind of one of those pick your poisons, because I'll explain.
Hold on, we do have an should just go around these cones, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll navigate that.
Perfect. Alright, right turn.
See it?
It's a pretty little area.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Cute little house up there. And I think we're coming up on the intersection that has the power line.
Copy that. Yeah, this is way easier. This is a better way to do this.
Okay, always stop.
Forward, right?
Yep. I remember the first time it ever stopped at a stop sign.
I remember the first time I ever got the software and
then
it
this
made
is the
a
power
left-hand
line section.
turn.
Up.
I got it. I see him in my sights.
And we're going to be taking a left here.
I see. And we'll drive at that park. Oh, it'll be interesting to see how it navigates around the UPS driver.
It did it fabulously.
Oh, it did a nice job there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll keep posting them. Hope you enjoy. Zero intervention drive.
Yeah.
Got another stop sign here.
Yep.
And then we'll end in that cul-de-sac, or
But yes, yay for intervention.
Intervention free.
Drive. Woo!
And obviously it won't park itself here, so we'll have to take over and park ourselves. But intervention free.
Woohoo!
Till next time. Bye, guys.